guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode we are going to be working on this little beater of mine right over here. I say it's a beater because come on, look at this. This like beater material, it's got dents, it's got bruises, you know, the bumper's been deformed from the exhaust falling off, it's held together by zip ties everywhere. So in essence it's a beater. This is the actual true beater. This one's battered and bruised and doesn't even run anymore. But what we're going to get up to today is we're going to put these guys in. So this is a company called PCI, Pro Car Innovations, and what this is coupled with that is a lower control arm compliance bush. So what is so significant about this bush? It is a spherical bush, as you can see there. And what does that mean? So spherical bush means it is a bush that has no poly or rubber in it whatsoever. What is the significance of that? The significance of that is when you're on the track, it holds your suspension and your alignment in place and in check where it's supposed to be. So these go underneath the car, and as you're taking a turn, the rubber bush twists. When the rubber bush twists, your alignment goes out, and you're not actually, so if you take your car to alignment and you set your alignment to 4 degrees negative camber up front, that 4 degrees negative camber in the front will remain 4 degrees negative camber in the corner. Whereas with the rubber bush, the original rubber bush, as you turn in the corner, the rubber twists and your alignment from negative actually becomes positive. So you're losing what you actually set your car up to be. That's where Pro Innovations comes in. It should take about 10 minutes. What are we going to need to do this job today? Obviously a jack to lift the car up, tool, some sockets, and this is going to be quite dangerous, but a brick. What is the brick for? The brick is to hold the car so that it doesn't move out of place when we jack it up. That is the bush over there. You've got 2 bolts, 3, and then the center. And then it should just come out of the hole, if I'm not mistaken. I needed 2 hands to do this, to pull the back end down and then pull this out, and I needed to loosen these bolts for the sway bar just so that we can get it out like that. Not a fun job because laying underneath the car is never fun. Cool, hands are dirty, got to try hold the camera as nicely as I can, but I'll do a quick comparison. So that is what you get from factory. Rubber, look how that rubber flexes. So that flex will flex all along the rubber, and when you're in the corner, as this thing is supposed to be like that, it twists. Instead of staying where it's supposed to be, it twists depending on the forces in the corner. So let's have a look at the other ones. Instead of having this thin steel to hold down, we got a nice thick piece of alley. We got nice steel insert and a rubber bush, nice spherical bearing inside, well machined piece of aluminium. Those inserts go into there. There we go. The bush is in, all locked and loaded. So the width, it's the same, basically the same. To put those back on or not, I don't think so. So yeah, that's what it is. A lot of money for this piece of kit. I have fully assembled, O-rings in, bushes on. Now it's time just to slide it in the hole, tighten it up. So there is a left and a right. If you want that logo to be showing, then you got to put it in left and right. Otherwise you're going to have it upside down, and or you're going to put it in the wrong way and it's not going to fit. So you got to get the left on the left side and that facing down, then it goes in exactly as it should, which would be like that, if I'm not mistaken. Just like that, like a glove. And then those two bolts line up there, that one lines up there, that one just got to put it back in, tighten that up, boom. I'm full of grease because my CV boot is damaged, for lack of better words. Let's just have a direct comparison and a quick fun fact. This is from, I think the American models call it the DX, and that's from the DX. This is what the American models call the EM1. So this is one piece, whereas all the other models came two pieces, so it was split in the middle, two bolts go through, bolted up. I learned this the hard way, so this is not a fun fact, this is actually a really expensive fact. This here is the 1600 B16A7, if I'm not mistaken. Original VTEC 1600 from factory in South Africa. They come with these arms. I'm not too sure what they're called in the States or in Europe. From what I know, this is the EK4 chassis. So that comes with this single piece arm, and I bought the PCI lower control arms, which is it's basically literally just this section here, and it doesn't come with that. So I had to go buy the two-piece arm from the 1500 model, so I could get the lower control arm to fit. Fun fact. And these on this are not the same. So where is it? These are not the same. This is not the bush that comes off of here. It's a completely different bush that goes on there as well. But we made that bush fit to this car, so this is exactly the same, as you can see. Same. This is what the arm looks like in place, final and assembled. As I said, there's a left and a right, so that you can get this logo to face down. That would be the correct way to have it. So this is the left. Everything bolts up nicely. Don't mind the grease from the CV. And then tighten everything up. The only thing is, you have to use a spanner here. You cannot use any electric tools whatsoever to tighten this up. Give it one last power. Okay, that's tight. Looks lovely. Nice etching, PCI. I had to use the old bolts. Unfortunately, I had to put a cap screw in there, but that is what it is. Car's got a bit of oil or a grease leak underneath. I gotta give it a good wash, figure out where it's coming from. If you guys enjoyed the content, you know what to do. Hit the like button below. Bumps the algorithm, helps me make more videos like this for you guys. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button, because I'm gonna be making more videos like this, because we've got a couple more mods to do on the Civic, and then we've got some stuff to do on the JZX 100, on the DC5 Type R. And let's not forget to mention that the 33 is coming out of paint soon, so that's going to be cool. There's a dyno video with the motor that's just been fully built, and link ECU and a couple of nice goodies. And we still got to get that V8 up and running, so lots of content to come. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Love to hit the camera, but my hands are full of grease. Till next time, peace. Who am I kidding? Let's take it for a send around the neighborhood. Since my neighbors love me so much, might as well reciprocate the love. But let's do some cinematics first.
dispatcher. Slaughter gang, soul snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper.